Hey guys, I want to show you my June project life. If you guys haven't seen my June and July kit video, I'm going to tag it down below and as well as a card in this video. I work on my project life monthly, and so I'm going to be doing a monthly kit video for you guys to show you my stash and like how much of the stuff I use. So I'm going to show you the pages and then I'll show you what I ended up using at the end. What June looks like in the album. I have this tassel. I have my pages, I have the ephemera bits that I showed in the video. I punched holes in it and put it inside. I have a lot of like little things like that. So this is all of June and there's a lot of pages. I need to start minimizing because my album is getting chunky. This is the first page I made. I used some paper that I got from Hobby Lobby, and this is a card that I made for a pocket letter that I really loved, so I just took it out of the pocket letter and framed it on a 3x4 card and put it there. I think it's really cute. But I did use a lot of stickers on the outside of the page protector. I love to do that. And so this is on the outside, and then I decorated on the inside. I used my new, also from Hobby Lobby, my new Pebbles roller word stamp thing. And then I used some stickers from Good Vibes collection. And then the other side looks like this. This is all on the front. So all I did was I put the 3x4 cards. It was an actual 4x6. I cut it in half. I put that inside. But all of these elements are all on the outside, including the picture. I did stamp the date on the inside. I really love doing that. I think it's so much fun. And it kind of adds to the whole look because now it looks like I have three 4x6 spots when I don't. So I really like that look. This is a card from my Summer Babe collection. And then this is some cute girls. So I'm really trying to use up my stash. I'll show you along the way the different things I did use. So that's the first and second page. Then I have this page here. I use a lot of Good Vibes as well, trying to get rid of things. I did do a good job in using up these stickers. You'll see them a little bit everywhere on the pages, like here as well. I have still a lot left. So whatever I don't use, I'm gonna like de-stash or just maybe include in some Happy Mail. But I'll keep it around again for my July pages. That's stickers from Cute Girls. So I also use this cute, I'll show you later. Yeah, I don't know what else I used from here. The cat. So I'm really trying to use this up. Still gonna keep this for my July pages as well. And then here I use one strip of washi tape from this booklet. I think I only used one, and that was it. For this page, I also used a label from here. I used a lot of these. I'm almost done. I can't wait. So I used a lot of these on these pages, and I used the alpha here. And then on this side, again, I used those Beautiful Mess stickers, and then some of these stickers as well. Some stuff from my stash, so I used up that little flag. Let me show you my empties while I'm at it. So these are my, I know you can't really tell, but I have a lot of like little plastic empties that I used up. It's not very much because, like I said, it's gonna be hard to make a dent in these things because I'm not doing anything else but project life. I used a good chunk of these. I'm so happy. I used it on a different project as well because the yellow matched the Maggie Holmes Willow Lane perfectly, so that's what made me use these up a lot, which was so exciting. So I have 4 left. So happy. I can't wait to throw this out. I used up a lot of these as well, and then I used a lot of stars. All I have left are these arrows, and then I made a big dent in these as well. So almost done with these enamel dot packs, and I can't wait to be able to throw them out. I love these pictures of the sunset. You'll see some more. I used some Tim Holtz word stickers. Again, these are all from my little bin that I have all my die cuts in. So I use a lot of these little things from here. Hard to keep track of them, but they're all in here. This is also some ephemera pieces. I use those stickers from Michael's over here, a lot of enamel dots. So that is this page. The back of it looks like this. Again, I use that Urban Chic collection. I try to make a dent. I use a lot of it actually. Can't really tell, like I said, but I did use a lot of these stickers. I really try to use these banners like as background collage or like element or layering elements, but it did not work. So again, die cut pieces from the box. Same here. And then some more labels. So I did a good chunk. I used one from this page. And then all these 3 labels here have like a little bit left. And 1 sticker left. I used all of the whole sheet, which is what I wanted to do. I just have one sticker left, so I can't wait to use that in July. These are the same stickers, I just cut them, like there's just a big border, so I cut this one really small. Again, that one's the same thing, I just cut it, like can you imagine how much I cut off from this? Just so I can use it. And then these are stickers from Heidi Swap sticker sheet. So let's see, how many did I use? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now I don't know if I used all of them here because I don't think I did, but apparently I used 12. I'm not sure if this pack was ready to use or not. I don't have to look back and watch that video again. Okay, so that is this page right here. Then I used Maggie Holmes carousels. The alpha stickers are from Urban Chic from We Are Memory Keepers. And then I used a lot of these stickers here also from Oasis. I used up a couple of these. I'm really happy. And this side I used my PAPERCAKES collection a lot. These little stickers are from PAPERCAKES, my Summer Babe collection. And then I used these as well. Made a bit of a dent in these. I think this one turned out really cute as well. Very simple. I didn't do too much embellishments on these beautiful pictures because I wanted like the picture to speak for itself. It says my favorite color is sunset. I absolutely love that. And these are just some photos and some scraps of paper that I was able to use. So that's fun. This one I kind of wanted to do a specific layout just for I love swimming and I really wanted to document my swim days, so I used a lot of embellishments that I had in here. Like all of this is from there, this is from there, this, and I used my Summer Babe collection. And then see those stars I used from that enamel pack. It's a 3x6 card. I just folded it in half so I can have my journaling in there. This is Maggie Holmes carousel. Again, all of these elements were pulled out from my die cut stash so I can use this month. I know it's kind of like heavy on the selfies, but this was kind of a big deal for me, so I wanted to document it. And plus it's an album for myself, so I don't really care if I have too many selfies, so whatever. I love that. Again, Oasis. And I really like this card. I think it turned out really, really cute. I'm using my Summer Babe collection and the little sunnies are really adorable. This is on the outside. And this is Oasis too. I did use the washi, not as much, but I did use some washi. And then the last little insert about my bath bomb. I love to do this. I take the Lush catalog and I cut out the bath bomb and the little description of it. And that way I remember which bath bomb I do. So if you guys enjoy doing bath bombs, that's another tip for you guys. When I look back, I think it'll be really fun to be like, oh, okay, that's what it says. That's what it smelled like. I think that's pretty cool. These stickers are all from Dear Lizzie. It comes in a sheet like this. Then I use these little plus signs on the back side, you'll see. So I did use a lot of these stickers too, but I didn't pull them out as empties because there's still 2 stickers on it, and I really tried hard to use this one, but I couldn't figure it out. I'll probably use it in some Happy Mail. And then the back looks like this. And again, Maggie Holmes carousel stickers I wanted to document. Those little plus signs I was telling you about. Another element from the little die cut box that I have over here. And then this is the Summer Babe collection page in the background. I think it looks really cute. And it's fun. It says light it up, and I documented a lightning show that we had this past summer. I think it was so beautiful. I was out there for like an hour watching the lightning. I've never seen anything like that before. It was really great. And I think this one's so cool. It reminds me of like Independence Day, the Alien movie with Will Smith. Looks like something's like opening up on top of the house. It's so cool. And again, these are the products that I used to document for June. I'm gonna probably keep these out again, like I said, for July because I can definitely use these again. So yeah, stickers. And then this is the Summer Babe sticker sheet that I used some of the stickers from in the bathing suit. And then this as well. So these are mainly the things I used, and I made a very good dent. You can't really tell, but I made a dent in this little case because I had a lot more stuff. So I'm really excited about that. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do Project Life, let me know. I'd love to see your pages. And this is ridiculous. This is a lot. Like, I'm used to having 2 or 3 per month, and I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, which is 12. That's just too much. I already printed out my July pictures. I have just as many pages for July because I went to a concert and I saw some of my favorite bands. So I'm gonna have a whole section just devoted to, like, I haven't even printed all the pictures out yet. But I'm gonna make a whole 2 pages for AFI 2 pages for Rise Against. Like, I'm gonna go kind of crazy. And then another full like for 4x6 pictures, because I love to document this. And I went to Comic-Con here in Montreal, so I have a whole nother page on that. I just don't have it here with me for some reason. As for July, I'm going to be using Willow Lane for sure. I have a bunch of die cuts here, the stickers and the puffy stickers, so I will be using Willow Lane. So my next installment of my Project Life series is going to be my July pages. Anyways guys, thanks so much for being here. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to see more Project Life videos, let me know, because this is a new series I started and I'm hoping that you guys enjoy my Project Life process and a look at my pages and how I do everything. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe and don't forget to click the notification bell so you're notified when I have a new video up. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!